Do you want to stay safe during the ongoing pandemic? Do you want to live without fear and be sure that you are taking adequate precautions? In today's video, I bring to you the book review of 99 plus 1 Ways to Prevent Coronavirus by Vikrant Kapoor. Hello everyone, this is Shalu. Welcome to my channel where I post book related videos. In today's video, I am going to talk about a book which is based on a disease which has turned our lives upside down. The book 99 plus 1 Ways to Prevent Coronavirus is the debut work of the author Vikrant Kapoor. I received the copy of this book from the author in exchange for an honest review. As the name of the book suggests, the book is a complete guide on coronavirus, from its causes, modes of transmission to ways of prevention. I was a bit apprehensive when the author approached me for book review, but the author assured me that the book is based on scientific research and data. The author is an educationist and heads one of the most successful chain of preschools in Punjab. He is also a successful entrepreneur and is a part of healthcare industry. During the pandemic, he launched India's first exclusive showroom with products based on coronavirus. The pandemic took the world by storm in 2020. COVID-19 is a highly contagious disease which is caused by coronavirus. The first case was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Since then, the disease has spread worldwide, leading to an ongoing pandemic. Now a vaccine is available, but it is still not accessible to the masses. Till the time a vaccine is available for everyone, prevention is the only way to stay safe from coronavirus. The book helps us to understand more about the prevention of coronavirus. It lists various methods which we can use to safeguard our offices, our homes, our families, and ourselves. The book begins with a brief introduction to coronavirus, its causes, modes of transmission, and the time coronavirus stays active on various surfaces. It then lists 100 ways for the prevention of coronavirus using which we can stay safe from the disease. This includes various kinds of masks, sanitizers, fumigation techniques, gloves, face shields, disinfectants, and much more. The section of the book where the author talks about the various kinds of foods which help in strengthening the immune system was of particular interest to me. I wish the author had talked about these herbs and foods in a more detailed manner. The last few pages of the book are dedicated to the various vaccines. At the time of the publication of the book, no vaccine had come out. So in this section, the author has talked about the various vaccines which were under clinical development stages based on the different kind of researches that the scientists had undertaken. By this time, we have read so much about coronavirus that most of us know the major ways of staying safe during this pandemic. But still, this book has some new information which I wasn't aware of. The book reads like a product catalog. I wish the author had dedicated some more space to the history of the disease and had included some research and stats instead of just talking about the various products used in the prevention of the disease. My other complaint is that the book has so many grammatical and spelling errors, which as a reader I found quite annoying. A better proofreading could have taken care of this. The book is written in a simple and easy language which even a layman can understand. It is a quick read and you can easily finish reading it in an hour or two. You can pick this book if you want to have an in-depth knowledge of the various products or ways to stay safe during this pandemic. So this was my review of 99 plus ways to prevent coronavirus. If you have enjoyed this review, please like, comment and share. And if you want to see more bookish content like this, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get updated every time I post a new video. Until my next video, bye and take care.